Introduction.
Hi, my name is Tanisha Paul. I am Ishan Driving School of Gari. So, as I Gari parts or so it is battery and yet positive or negative ase. Positive to self karne use hoy aru negative to earthing karne. Then it to coolant hoy. Etu battery to thanda kori battery no sorry engine to thanda kori thobole etu yat use hoy and etu wiper to hoy yat shampoo aru pani dia hoy then etu air filter hoy yat bahiror air bur loi mal air bur bitorot die and etu engine hoy etu brake oil hoy yat maximum loke oil to thakibo lage and etu power steering or oil hoy aru etu engine oil hoy yat etu marker loke oil to thakibo lage aru hodai gari start kor agote etu check kori lobo lage
Rakhi da ine rakhi da